X, formerly Twitter, believes it has performed well in avoiding controversy surrounding the training of its AI Grok on user data. X has sneakily added a feature that uses user data, including posts, inputs, and results, to train and fine-tune Grok. The app features a checkbox in the settings that is checked by default and includes a disclaimer informing the user that their data is being shared with Grok's service provider AI. For those understandably eager to opt out of this arrangement, there's good news. X is allowing users to end the agreement and even delete their conversations with Grok. Switch off X's data sharing with Grok AI. Notably, these settings cannot be altered on X's mobile app. Instead, users will have to head to the desktop version to make the changes. Head to the Settings and Privacy page on X using a desktop device. Click on the Privacy and Safety section. Click on Grok. Click the blue box with a white check to uncheck it and disable the setting. The conversation history can also be deleted in the same window by tapping on the option in red text reading Delete Conversation History. Time will tell whether X will be able to hold out against charges or violations being held up against its AI counterparts. Until then, this is what suffices.